Ever found yourself in that frustrating dance of back and forth emails just to nail down a simple appointment? You know the drill. Does Tuesday at 2 work for you? Let me check. No, how about Wednesday at 10? And on it goes. In today's fast-paced world, who has the time for that? That's why online scheduling tools like Acuity Scheduling have become absolute game changers for businesses of all sizes. They streamline the booking process, allowing clients to see your availability and book appointments themselves 24/7. It's a win-win, saving you administrative headaches and making it incredibly convenient for your clients. But here's a question many of you might be asking, especially if you're a client of a business that uses Acuity. Is there a dedicated mobile app for me, the client, to easily book and manage my appointments on the go? Think about it. We live on our phones. We order food, book rides, manage our finances, all with a few taps on a screen. So, it would make perfect sense if a popular scheduling platform like Acuity offered a dedicated app for clients, right? A place where you could quickly see available slots, book your next massage, therapy session, hair appointment, or whatever service you need, without having to navigate through web browsers on your phone. Well, let's dive into this and get you a definitive answer. We'll explore what Acuity does offer clients in terms of accessing their scheduling features and discuss the pros and cons of their current approach. By the end of this, you'll have a clear understanding of how you, as a client, can best interact with Acuity Scheduling. So, the core question remains, does Acuity Scheduling have a standalone mobile app specifically designed for clients? The short and direct answer, as of my last update, is no. Acuity Scheduling does not offer a dedicated, standalone mobile application for clients to download from app stores like Google Play or the Apple App Store. Now, before you click away, thinking that's the end of the story, hold on. That doesn't mean clients are left in the lurch when it comes to mobile access. Acuity has designed its system to be highly accessible and user-friendly across various devices, primarily through web browsers. Let's explore how clients can interact with Acuity Scheduling on their mobile devices and what that experience looks like. When a business using Acuity Scheduling wants to allow their clients to book appointments online, they typically embed a scheduling link or button on their website, social media pages, or even within email communications. When you, as a client, click on one of these links using your smartphone or tablet, you'll be directed to a mobile-optimized version of their Acuity Scheduling page in your web browser. This mobile-optimized interface is designed to be responsive and adapt to the smaller screen size of your device. You should be able to easily navigate through the available appointment types, view the calendar with available dates and times, and select a slot that works for you. The booking process, including providing your information and potentially making payments, is all handled within this mobile browser environment. Think of it like accessing any other website on your phone. The layout might be slightly different from the desktop version to fit your screen, but all the essential functionalities are still there. So, while there isn't a dedicated app icon you can tap on your home screen, the experience of booking through the mobile browser is intended to be smooth and intuitive. Now, let's consider some of the potential advantages and disadvantages of this approach compared to having a dedicated mobile app. Advantages of a mobile-optimized web interface. No app download required. This is a significant plus for many users. You don't need to take up storage space on your phone or go through the process of finding and downloading an app. A simple click on a link gets you straight to the scheduling page. Cross-platform compatibility. Because it works through a web browser, the client scheduling interface is inherently compatible with virtually any smartphone or tablet, regardless of whether it's running iOS or Android. This eliminates the need for the business to develop and maintain separate apps for different operating systems. Instant updates. Any changes or updates made by the business to their Acuity Scheduling setup are immediately reflected on the web interface. Clients always see the most up-to-date information without needing to manually update an app. Seamless integration. The web-based system seamlessly integrates with the business's existing online presence, whether it's their website or social media. Disadvantages of not having a dedicated mobile app. Potentially less seamless user experience. While mobile-optimized websites can be very good, a dedicated app can sometimes offer a more fluid and integrated user experience. Features like push notifications for appointment reminders or easier access to past bookings might be more readily implemented in a native app. No offline access. A web-based interface requires an internet connection to function. A dedicated app might potentially offer some limited offline access to previously viewed information, although booking new appointments would still require connectivity. No home screen icon for quick access. Having a dedicated app icon on your home screen provides instant access with a single tap. With a web-based interface, you'll need to either navigate to the link each time or save it as a bookmark on your browser. Reliance on browser performance. The performance and responsiveness of the scheduling page can sometimes be influenced by the user's web browser and internet connection. Despite not having a dedicated client app, Acuity Scheduling does offer robust features that enhance the client experience through their mobile-optimized web interface. These often include easy appointment booking, clear calendar views, easy selection of appointment types and time slots, and straightforward forms for providing necessary information. Appointment management. Clients can typically view their upcoming appointments, reschedule, if allowed by the business, and even cancel appointments online. Automated reminders. Businesses can set up automated email and SMS reminders through Acuity, ensuring clients don't miss their appointments. These notifications are delivered directly to the client's preferred contact method, regardless of how they booked. Payment integration. If the business requires payment at the time of booking, the mobile web interface securely handles this process. Intake forms. Businesses can create custom intake forms that clients can fill out during the booking process or prior to their appointment, all accessible through the mobile browser. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.